Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, so for our dry curry, first I've just browned the meat. I'm using ground beef, but you could use any protein you like, just, chicken breast, chicken mince, whatever. Cooked lentils if you want to keep it vegetarian, or you could use crumbled tofu. But you just want to get the protein cooked. So, and I've done that on a high heat. Now I'm going to turn it down a bit, and then we're going to get the curry powder in. So 2 tablespoons. I'm just using like Keen's traditional curry powder from the supermarket, which is actually like a really lovely curry powder, but any curry powder you like is good. And then just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then you want to get that in the pan and just give it a stir for a couple of, kind of 20 seconds, because you don't want the spices to burn, but you want them to toast a little bit, so that just enhances the flavor. And then you'll be able to smell it. And then we get our frozen spinach in. So this is kind of partially defrosted. And then the trick is to get the spinach to defrost in the pan for you. And if you wanted, you could use fresh spinach here, or kale. It doesn't have to be frozen, but I really love it with the frozen spinach, just because it makes it so much easier. Then, when your spinach is done, just have a taste and have a season. If it needs a bit more salt, you probably won't with that 1/4 teaspoon, but depending on your palate, you might like more. And then I just, when you're happy with the seasoning, I just divide it into, put it into bowls and serve it with some nice yogurt on top, and then some nuts to give it some crunch and make it a bit more substantial. So usually I like cashews or peanuts or almonds, but whatever nuts you like. And that is our dry Plan B curry. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.